The government has officially launched the fourth medium-term plan, a comprehensive strategy aimed at accelerating Kenya's progress towards becoming a newly industrializing middle-income country by 2030. Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki presided over the opening of a stakeholder engagement forum in Marsabit, where key players gathered to prioritize development programs and projects for the county. The plan, which spans from 2023 to 2027, marks the final phase of the Kenya Vision 2030 initiative. The plan focuses on increasing investments in strategic sectors such as agriculture, health, housing and the digital economy, which are essential for driving economic growth and enhancing the living standards of wananchi.
Of the 15 tree growing strategy, which means we have a target of 9,000 hectares per year.